Hey everyone, it's Juno from Rentman again. You've planned your equipment, now it's time to schedule your crew. Planning your team in Rentman keeps everyone aligned and avoids double bookings. First, I'm going to be moving to the Projects module. From the Projects module, I'm going to select the project. From here, I'm going to be moving to the Crew Scheduling tab. In the Crew Scheduling tab, I'm going to be choosing a function group that is not fully planned yet. And then, on the left side of the screen, you can see which freelancers or which crew are available. I'm going to be selecting one of the crew members here. And then I'm going to click Add. There you go. You just planned your first crew member to a project. From here, you can send out schedules or invitations directly from Rentman to keep everyone up to date. Try it yourself.